Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make bread and butter pudding. It is a traditional British dessert, cooked with leftover sandwich bread and a handful of raisins, covered with an egg custard. It is served warm with a side of cream or custard. Let's get started. I will make the custard first. Pour some milk into the mixing bowl. Add some heavy cream. A little sugar. Vanilla extract. Two eggs. Beat the eggs, milk, and cream well together. I got 6 pieces of leftover sandwich bread. Remove the crusts. Cut into small squares. Place half of them into the baking dish. The remaining half are placed in another prep tray. I need some softened unsalted butter. Spread butter thickly on these cubes. Pour half of the custard we made before into the baking tray. The remaining half custard will go to the prep tray. Let the bread absorb the liquid for 30 minutes. At this point, preheat the oven at 330 Fahrenheit. To assemble the pudding, I also need a mix of raisin and sultana and some sugar. Sprinkle some sugar over the bread in the baking dish. Then add some raisins and sultanas. Transfer the bread in the prep tray to the baking dish. Then sprinkle the remaining sugar and dry fruits. The bread pudding will be baked at 330 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Time is up. Let's check it. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this bread and butter pudding cost me $8. I'm going to enjoy this bread and butter pudding with some cream. Thanks for watching my video.